If you're looking to track bugs and issues efficiently in Monday.com, you've come to the right place. In this quick explanation, we'll walk through how you can set up and track bugs so you can streamline your workflow and avoid common pitfalls. Stick around to the end, where I'll show you an exclusive free trial and even offer some alternatives that might suit your needs better. So, first up, let's dive into setting up your board. In Monday.com, you can create a board specifically for bug and issue tracking. You'll want to set up a status column to track the bug's current stage, whether it's new, in progress, or resolved. This will help keep your team on the same page. Next, you'll use a priority column to categorize the urgency of each bug, critical, medium, or low priority. You can also add a date column to track when bugs need to be resolved by. Next thing, let's talk about customizing your workflow. Monday.com allows you to add sub-items within each issue. This is great for breaking down bugs into smaller tasks, like identifying the cause, replicating the issue, fixing it, and testing it. You can also link bugs to other boards in Monday.com for better cross-functional tracking, especially if your bug affects other departments. The third thing to consider is automation. Monday.com offers a variety of automation features that can help you stay on top of bugs and issues. For example, you can set up an automation that sends a notification when a bug is marked as in progress or resolved. This ensures your team gets the updates they need without constantly checking the board. Now, let's talk about integrations. Monday.com does integrate with other tools like GitHub, GitLab, and Jira. This is crucial if your team is already using those platforms for development or issue tracking. By connecting these tools to your Monday.com board, you can import bug reports directly, saving time and reducing manual input. But there's a downside here, Monday. Com's bug tracking can feel a bit basic if you're working with a larger, more complex team. It's great for small teams, but as your operations grow, the customization options might not meet all your needs. You may find yourself hitting a wall when trying to track more complex issues across multiple projects. The fifth thing to consider is the reporting and analytics. Monday.com does offer some reporting features, but again, it's more limited compared to other tools that specialize in bug and issue tracking. The dashboard provides a general overview, but if you need deep, detailed analytics on bug resolution, this might not be sufficient. Now, I'll be honest, Monday.com does have its limitations, especially when it comes to in-depth bug tracking and project management. For larger teams or those that need advanced issue tracking capabilities, you might want to explore a more dedicated solution like Jira, which has deeper customization options specifically built for software development and bug tracking. But before you make a decision, I've got a great offer for you. At the end of this video, I'll share an exclusive and extended free trial of a software that not only meets your bug tracking needs, but also has more advanced features for scalability. You'll also get access to some amazing alternatives that might be a better fit for your specific goals. Through the link in the description, you'll be able to claim the best free trial available, plus exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Don't miss out. Check the link below and get started today.